modern birds lie within the crown group Aves, alternately Neornithes, which has two subdivisions: the Paleognathai, which includes the flightless ratites, such as the ostriches, and the weak-flying tinamous, and the extremely diverse Neornithes, containing all other birds. These two subdivisions have variously been given the rank of superorder, cohort, or infraclass, depending on the taxonomic viewpoint. The number of known living bird species is around 10,906, although other sources may differ in their precise number. Cladogram of modern bird relationships based on Brown and Kimball. 2021. The classification of birds is a contentious issue. Sibley and Alquist's Phylogeny and Classification of Birds. 1990. Is a landmark work on the subject. Most evidence seems to suggest the assignment of orders is accurate, but scientists disagree about the relationships among the orders themselves. Evidence from modern bird anatomy, fossils and DNA have all been brought to bear on the problem, but no strong consensus has emerged. Fossil and molecular evidence from the 2010s providing an increasingly clear picture of the evolution of modern bird orders.